Hi, my name is Karen and I'm from Melbourne. I've been a student with AOE for almost 6 months, I'd say. So far I'm finding it great. I'm finding the coaches are very easy to get to. The openness is great. They're so willing to help, because I find that last night we had this little dinner and I met Sue Josephson for the first time, and it's great. It's so easy to talk to. So my goals with AOE and my Amazon business and journey is hopefully I will get to at least 1 or 2 sales a day, and growing.
Thank you. Good luck.
Yeah, thank you.